How many students are there in your class?
There are 10 students.
There are 10 students
10 students
in our class.
in our class.
This will be okay. How many students are there in your class?
There are 10 students in our class.
Yes, there are 10 students in your class. Out of 10 students, how many are girls? How many are girls? No. Out of
Out of
10 students,
10 students,
only
4
are
only 4 are
boys.
boys.
And out of 10 students, 10 students, only 6 are
Only 6 are girls.
girls. Very good. Clap your hands. So you have 10 students in your class, and out of 10 students, only 4 are boys, and only 6 are there are 6 girls, and there are 4 boys in your class. 6 plus 4 10. Okay. Yes. How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Yes. How are you?
I am 5 years old.
No. I am asking you. How are you?
Thank you.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Yes. Very good. How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
How many students are there in your class?
There are 10 students
In our class.
in our class.
There are 10 students
There are 10 students
in our
in our
class.
class.
Very good. Very good.